What's up everybody, Vishwas here. Today I'm back with another exciting video for you, so stay tuned. AI is blowing up lately. Few decades ago, AI was limited to tasks like cancer detection or marking emails, spam versus non-spam, and some more intelligent tasks. But nowadays, AI is almost everywhere. That each and every organization wants to do something in AI, even if they don't have any clear vision. I was studying this specific technology called ChatGPT for last 2+ months. So let's decode ChatGPT today. Let me tell you some interesting facts about ChatGPT and other popular texts that spread so fast. There is this interesting chart about how much time technologies took to get 100 million users mark. Telephone took 75 years. Mobile phones just 16 years. Netflix 10 years. Twitter 6 years. Uber 70 months, Spotify 55 months, Facebook roughly 48 months, Instagram 30, TikTok just 9 months, and the record-breaking ChatGPT just 2 months. This happens and had happened with each and every popular technology. Whenever something new and innovative comes up, trends quickly change. People start talking about the technology. Everyone starts thinking that this is the ultimate thing. Then after about 3 to 4 months, people start to realize the potential loopholes or downsides of the technology. Then everything slowly settles down to normal. And finally people accept or reject the technology. Let us find out what the hype is all about ChatGPT. So first of all, what the heck is ChatGPT? You might have seen ChatGPT answering your questions, write essays, poems, then writing some computer programs and even explain them. I won't go into too much technical details today and will cover that part in my upcoming series on machine learning, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to not miss that one and share this video with others if you like the content. The GPT in ChatGPT is the third generation of generative pre-trained transformers, which was developed by the company OpenAI, which is also behind the image generator DALL.E, where you enter a text and DALL.E will produce AI generated image for you matching your description. GPT is the largest large language model available in the market now, but soon there is going to be a very tough competition. Google, for instance, has already unveiled Bard, which is based on their own language engine called Lambda. ChatGPT brought GPT-3 into the limelight because it made the process of interacting with AI text generators simple and most importantly free to everyone. Plus, it's a chatbot and people have loved chatbots since Smarter Child. But have you ever wondered how ChatGPT exactly works? Let me give you a very simple and easy explanation. If you are not interested to know, or if you already know the answer, please skip to the next chapter. Basically, ChatGPT works by attempting to understand your prompt and then spitting out the words one after another that it predicts will be the best answer to your query. ChatGPT can answer questions in so many domains, but how is it possible for a chatbot to have a knowledge in various domains? You won't believe that ChatGPT was built on humongous 500 billion tokens. That's a lot of information which is used for the training purpose. And we humans have written all this information in the form of books, poems, articles, computer programs, and even on the public internet. This information is then fed to the deep neural network, which works very similar to our brains. This model has over 175 billion parameters using which it learns from the data. One interesting fact about ChatGPT is it doesn't work on sentence level. For instance, let's say Google Translate, where you give input sentence in one language and Google Translate will give you the output sentence in another language. In case of ChatGPT, it can produce words, sentences, and even single or multiple paragraphs for your input. To make ChatGPT even better and to optimize it for dialogues, data scientists have created one more model called reinforcement learning with human feedback or RLHF. This works in following fashion. ChatGPT produces multiple responses for the input query, and then AI trainers rank each one of these responses based on the quality of the answer. Then ChatGPT takes this feedback as penalty or reward and adjusts its own parameters, and then the model becomes better and better. So if you ask the similar question next time, ChatGPT can answer better. And finally, based on your input, models learned parameters and a small amount of randomness, also called temperature, ChatGPT produces the responses for you. Due to this temperature or randomness, you will find a different answer most of the times, even if your query is same. So in summary, ChatGPT is nothing but complete the sentence game. One more question strikes in our mind, that is ChatGPT a search engine then? As people are comparing ChatGPT with Google search. It has been provided a lot of information and it simply searches in it. Well, the answer is big no. It works totally different. Let me tell you why ChatGPT cannot be a search engine. The problem with ChatGPT or similar AI chatbots is they can't do the fact verification. It can produce a good looking and well formatted answers for you, but they are not necessarily be factually true. See the following example for instance. The responses generated by ChatGPT are all synthesized. Search engines like Google Search can quickly adapt to the latest information available on the internet. But ChatGPT will take lots and lots of time to incorporate all this information and train the model and fine-tune it to finally become knowledgeable about that information. Current version of the ChatGPT was built on the data up to September 2021 and it doesn't know anything after that. So you will think search engines like Google are much better than ChatGPT, right? Well, that's not the thing. If search engines like Google are better, then why did Google conduct a code red meeting? And can ChatGPT replace Google in the future? Very simple answer to this question is no. Microsoft's acquisition of GitHub and their billion-dollar investment in OpenAI said it all. Microsoft's Bing is currently not so popular search engine and Microsoft wants it to compete with Google. See their AI-powered Copilot demo. Behind the scenes, it is ChatGPT, or you can say ChatGPT++. So even though Google is the market leader, it is the issue of company's reputation. For last decade, we have seen Google leading or winning this AI race, and ChatGPT is the threat to their dominance. Currently, 85% of the searches worldwide are using Google search engine and not even 10% from Bing. So simply saying, Microsoft Bing has everything to gain and Google has everything to lose. Let me tell you guys, the AI war has already begun and these major players like Google, Microsoft, Apple are trying hard to win it, either directly or indirectly. Final question today is, can ChatGPT then take on the human jobs? See, ChatGPT can definitely assist you in some way. You can take help of ChatGPT in your day-to-day work, but relying completely on ChatGPT? Nah. It cannot replace the humans, at least that is the situation right now. But for sure, content creators, artists, programmers will have to raise their bars. And they have to be better than ChatGPT. ChatGPT shouldn't be intelligent than humans. If it becomes, there is a danger. Answering to questions is kind of easy, but asking right questions at the right time is very difficult task. Until these chatbots don't learn this, human beings are kinda safe. So in conclusion, conversational chatbots like ChatGPT and others can go hand in hand with search engines like Google or Bing, but they cannot replace each other. They can't replace humans either. Upcoming year or two will be really interesting to see in which direction all this goes. Let's see. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next. Until then, bye bye.